I got quite addicted to putting stickers in this one. Yes, that is the latch to put it all together. But hey, why not make a pocket out of anything and everything, you know? Always got to have a splash of different colors somewhere, somehow. And that's one. There's my other splash of color. Can never have enough flip outs either. Or pockets. Pockets, 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 pockets. Okay, here you hang down over there. Stickers, I just am going sticker crazy all of a sudden. Don't ask me what's up with that. I don't know. Love my buttons. I love my buttons. Yes, I sewed them in. Love my flowers, love my pockets. Get over there. I don't remember where I saw this. I think it was a free download in FB. Love my stickers. Did I put too many in here? I can't get stuff out now. Yes. Isn't that the cutest thing? Glad I saw that. Yeah, these came with the free download for the envelope pocket. Here we go. Man, that was fun.